Welcome to an introduction to Kubernetes, the powerful container orchestration platform. Kubernetes, developed by Google, is an open-source platform that manages containerized applications. Think of Kubernetes as a conductor, orchestrating a complex symphony of containers across multiple hosts. These containers can be distributed across multiple hosts, allowing for efficient resource utilization. The name Kubernetes comes from the Greek word meaning helmsman or pilot and is often abbreviated as K8s. Kubernetes automates crucial aspects of application management, including deployment, scaling, and operations. It can automatically handle tasks like scaling applications up or down based on demand. This powerful platform forms the foundation for modern container orchestration. The Kubernetes architecture consists of master and worker nodes working together to manage containerized applications. The master node, also known as the control plane, contains four key components that manage the entire cluster. The API server is the central hub for all communication in the cluster. It processes REST operations and updates etcd accordingly. The scheduler watches for new pods and assigns them to worker nodes based on resource requirements and constraints. The controller manager runs controllers that handle routine tasks and maintain the desired state of the cluster. etcd is a distributed key value store that maintains all cluster data, acting as the single source of truth for the cluster. Worker nodes run the actual applications and are managed by several components. The kubectl is the primary node agent, ensuring containers are running in pods according to the specifications. kubeproxy maintains network rules on nodes, enabling communication between pods and external traffic. Pods are the smallest deployable units in Kubernetes, containing one or more containers that share resources and network space. All these components work together seamlessly to ensure your applications run as intended, with the API server coordinating all communication between components. Deployments in Kubernetes manage how applications are created and updated. A deployment ensures that a specified number of pod replicas are running at any time, enabling easy scaling and updates. Services provide a stable network endpoint for pods, acting as a load balancer and service discovery mechanism. They ensure that network traffic is distributed among pods, even as pods are created or removed. Config maps store non-sensitive configuration data in key-value pairs, while secrets handle sensitive information like passwords and tokens, storing them securely. Namespaces provide a way to divide cluster resources between multiple users or projects. They help organize resources and prevent naming conflicts between different teams or applications. Kubernetes provides powerful auto-scaling capabilities, automatically adjusting resources based on demand. The platform's self-healing capabilities ensure high availability by automatically replacing failed components. Built-in load balancing distributes traffic evenly across all pods, optimizing performance. Rolling updates enable zero downtime deployments, gradually updating pods while maintaining service availability. E-commerce platforms benefit from Kubernetes' ability to handle variable traffic and seasonal demands. Streaming services rely on Kubernetes to manage high-volume data processing and content delivery. Enterprise applications leverage Kubernetes to ensure reliability and scalability across their infrastructure. To begin working with Kubernetes, you'll need a development environment. Let's look at two popular options. Minikube provides a single-node cluster perfect for learning, while Docker Desktop offers a more integrated experience with a graphical interface. Once your environment is set up, you'll need to learn some essential kubectl commands. Let's look at a sample deployment file. This YAML configuration deploys 3 replicas of an Nginx web server. Here's a structured approach to practice what you've learned. The Kubernetes community provides extensive resources to help you learn and grow. You now have all the tools and knowledge needed to start your Kubernetes journey. Thanks for learning about getting started with Kubernetes.